Hello and welcome. I have Vivek Singh with me. Vivek, congratulations. You qualified your NET exam in commerce subject in December 2019. How are you
Thank you
feeling
very much.
about this success?
Garima, it's a wonderful experience. Actually, I was not sure as this is my first attempt, but due to the help of Human Paritas, this came true for me, and so I'm very glad to you guys. Thank you.
That is amazing. You qualified in the first attempt. That's like a dream for so many people. I'm sure you are on cloud nine right now. Also, tell us more about yourself. Where are you from and what are you doing currently?
Okay. Hello guys, I am Vivek Singh. I'm from Jamshedpur, Jharkhand, and I completed my graduation in the year 2013 from the State University of Jharkhand. And after that, I get enrolled in my CA and completed my CA articleship and my CA inter in the year 2017. And actually, I was very much interested into teaching. So along with my articleship, I was also working as a guest in a private university where I was teaching accountancy. And so I came to know about UCNet from one of my friend. She was pursuing it. So I was very much interested into it. So I enrolled in my master's in the year 2017 and completed it in the year 2019. And in the year I appeared for UCNet, I started preparing for that, and I cleared my UCNet in my first attempt in the December 2019. And right now I joined a private university, assistant professor. I'm working there.
So amazing. So your dream of teaching has finally fulfilled and you're successfully teaching as an assistant professor. That's amazing. Take us through your journey of preparation. How many months did you prepare for? How many hours did you dedicate every day? Take us into those details.
Sure. Garima, I want to tell that my journey was really a roller coaster ride, because when I started my preparation, I really don't know about anything about UCNet, and the question is so vast, and the people on the YouTube, are they little misguiding you for buying this book, go for this author. The most of the students in UCNet face the same problem. Okay, because the portion is so vast and students don't know from where to study, how much to study. Okay, and I think I wasted my 4 to 5 months write this only. Okay, and so we finally came to know about human parities just 1 month before my exam. And till that, I was sure that I'm not going to clear, as I was not I was not having the confidence that I'm going to clear the exam, because I was reading from the random books, going for random authors, and after 4 to 5 months, I came to know that I was not able to solve any mock papers available on internet. So once I came to know about human paritas on YouTube, and I take that chance and I ordered human paritas. And when I started studying for human paritas, the main help that human paritas provide is that they give you the whole material, that more, not less, exactly that what you need to study. Okay, and you you get the confidence that you require to to crack any exam. And I started my preparation, as I told you, that I get human paritas just 1 month before my exam. So I started my preparation. I just focused on the material that human paritas provide me, and the MCQs. The MCQs thing is also very helpful. In fact, it is not just MCQ. They provide the proper explanation of the wrong answers and the right answers also, and that really that's a really key thing that will help you in your preparation. And it's I would like to say that I was not sure that just preparing for 1 month I'm going to clear this, but human paritas really helped me in this. Uh,
I think that's the first time that I've ever met someone who actually prepared for just 1 month. I've in all this while, in so many years, I've met so many people who qualified the exam, but never someone who says that I've prepared in 1 month time. So I must say you are of some extraordinary intelligence that you were able to crack this exam. So going deep into your preparation strategy as to how did you divide your time between paper 1 and paper 2, and in such little time, how much time did you give to solving questions and reading the booklets, etc.? Please throw some light on that.
Okay. I was studying for, I think, at least 10 to 12 hours per day. Okay. And I was devoting 2 to 3 hours for paper 1 and the rest of. But you can't ignore paper 1 as it plays a very vital role for clearing it. Okay. And in paper 1 also, I was only pursuing human paratus, as the question were enough. I think it was more than 2,000 questions for paper 1, and in fact the material is also so detailed that and once you complete human paratus, you don't need to go for anything else. So I was devoting 3 to 4 hours for paper 1 and the rest of hours for paper 2.
So for concluding this discussion, I would like to end this video by you telling someone who's preparing for this exam for the first time what 3 mistakes they should avoid.
Garima, first of all, I know that what problem people generally face while pursuing UCNet is the portion, not proper guidance. I know that I face that thing. Okay, so generally I suggest, I'm really not endorsing anyone. Okay, frankly speaking, I am saying what I felt. Go for human paratus as they provide the material, the right material for your preparation. Okay, and once you completed the human paratus, you don't need to go for anything else. Just revise it. At least try to revise it 1 or 2 times. Okay, as I completed in my case, I completed human paratus just once and I cleared UCNet. In fact, I didn't get the time to revise. So if you revise at least one, for sure, not JRF but net is assured.
And you shared that your percentile was 99.6 percentile.
And I just missed my
few marks.
So, I just missed my JRF just by 4 marks, and it was such a heartbreaking thing.
I'm sure you'll get it the next time, and we wish you all the best for your coming exam for JRF and also for your future endeavors and your job in the academic field. Thank you so much, Vivek, for connecting with us and talking to us. It was a pleasure speaking with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.